Where do you want me to hold it?
Yeah, it's like it's already recording. Alright, so here we go. I'm going to engage it. Alright, welcome to the channel. Quick video for you all here today. We are headed to the Regal here in Maryland. We're actually in Maryland. And we're going to go watch Deadpool 3 or Deadpool and Wolverine. And yeah, we are on our way. FSD is in control. It's doing its thing, and it has been on since the beginning of this video. Just gonna have to lower the AC a little bit because the fan speed is really loud, actually. But now that it's cooled down a little bit, do you feel like it's cooled down a little bit?
Yeah.
Yeah, and it is really hot here in the Maryland area. 89 now it's saying. It was saying 90 earlier. But yeah, we are, let's see, 1.9 miles out, which is about a 5-minute drive. So we're gonna see how the car does in a real life situation. Alright, so we are actually on 12.3.6 while I'm shooting this. And my hopes is when I get out, it says right here, your car's software is up to date as of July 26th, 5:52 p.m. So as of right now, this is the latest software. But yeah, 12.5 is out, and it's the newest and latest, and it's hands-free. And I can't wait to try it. I'm gonna be as patient as possible because, you know, whenever that comes, it comes. I'm not even upset about it. I've got a Hardware 3 car over here, so I'm really just excited the fact that it just gets better. You know, like I keep waking up to new updates, and every day I'm like, it's hard to really manage all that, really. But anyways, 12.5 on the way. And yeah, make sure you subscribe to this channel because we're gonna have lots of 12.5 videos coming your way. I think it's 12.5.1 already. 12.5 is already a thing of the past, so it's really 12. Well, actually, Elon said that 12.5.3 will be the one that goes wide release. So that's probably gonna be the one that I'm gonna get. Who knows? But mind you, at the time of shooting this video, it's 4 o'clock, and we're about to go watch. We got a 4:20 showing for Deadpool today, and yeah. So we, you know, who knows? When I get out of the movie, maybe there will be a new update, and that will be pretty incredible because it's just too much to keep track of, to be honest. I have a self-driving car, and that's a lot to wrap your head around, to be honest. And it takes time to get comfortable behind a self-driving car's steering wheel. So, you know, you need to know what to do in these situations, and it takes a lot of time for comfort levels to become, you know, ready to handle this. Because the more and more I ask people to try it out, the more and more I realize that people are not ready for this. And yeah, it just keeps getting better. It's getting better at a rate faster than we can learn. So, you know, like a year ago, they used to call it a 16-year-old driver. Well, at this point, it's like 42, you know, in age. So, yeah, I don't even know how to judge its driving abilities anymore. At this point, I say it's better than me because it's more patient than I am. That's for sure. You know. Anyways, what in the world is it doing here? Oh my gosh, it's about to make a highway U-turn. Are you kidding me? Whew, this is going to be intense on Route 3 right here. This is, ooh, wow. Alright, here we go. I mean, if I need to take over, I will. But if FSD got it, then it got it. Because this is a real challenge here now. Look at this. Alright, let's see. What is FSD going to do? but the goal is to get all the way far right. So we're taking over because FSD didn't do it, but I am. So it's alright. And that's the beauty of it. You gotta learn how to finesse it. You know, you gotta learn how to use it when it works, and then when you feel more comfortable to use it, that's when you come into play, you know? This is a mixture of AI and human ability, and it's better to have it than don't. That's my opinion, and yeah, I think that will kind of always remain. Yeah. So here we are. We're about to make a right on into the Woe Chapel Town Center, which is a really cool place. Oh, so it didn't actually make the right that I wanted it to. So there we go. You got to pay attention to what it's doing on the navigation. If you want to do something and it wants to do something else, that's a great example right there. FSD is not psychic. So here we go. Now I know for sure it can handle the rest of this. But at the same time, yeah. This was not a zero intervention drive. This was definitely a mixture of, you know, me and the car. And look at this, nice job detecting. Look at that, amazing. Now that was all car. That was not me at all. He waved to me like it was me, it wasn't me. That's so funny. Anyways, that happens a lot when you're using FSD. And yeah. Here we go, Regal Stadium. So we are actually gonna, I'm taking over at this point because, you know, it's movie time. It starts in like 20 minutes, so I'm trying to get there ASAP. So that kind of gets you a good idea on how and when to use it. Because yeah, definitely when I'm in a rush, I'm driving myself, because who wants to trust an AI when you're in a rush? Well, now when you got time, you know, it's interesting to see its capabilities. Wow, it looks like this theater is either packed for Deadpool or... No, I'm just kidding. We will see. I'm excited for the movie though. It's going to be a fun one, hopefully. Man, there's no parking. That is crazy. I might have to go ahead and park in like the Wegmans. Just pretend like we're grocery shopping this for the next 3 hours. Do people do that? Oh my gosh, this is insane.
Here's one.
Are you okay with this wall?
Yeah, it's fine.
Oh my god, I'm not okay with this wall. Alright, well I want to thank everyone for watching this. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe for more. Thanks again for watching and have a great day. Bye.